Sikkim is one of the seven sister states of the northeast India. This Himalayan state is bordered by Bhutan, Tibet, and Nepal. The kingdom of Sikkim was found on the Silk Route by the Namgyal dynasty in the 17th century. The kingdom was ruled by a Buddhist priest king known as Chaukyal. Once a vassal state of Qing China, it became a princely state of British India in 1890. Part of the Himalayas, the area has a dramatic landscape that includes India's highest mountain, 8,586 meters. Kanchenjunga, being a part of the eastern Himalayas, Sikkim is notable for its biodiversity, including alpine and subtropical climates. Almost 25% of the state is covered by Kanchenjunga National Park, world's third highest peak of Kanchenjunga, is the state's highest point, situated on the border between Sikkim and Nepal. Long, Siberian political entity. Sikkim became a protectorate of India in 1950 and an Indian state in 1975. The Kanchenjunga National Park in Sikkim, home to dozens of lofty mountain peaks, 18 glaciers, lakes, waterfalls, and some unique flora and fauna, has been named India's first mixed World Heritage Site by UNESCO. The UN agency has recognized the park's outstanding universal values both in terms of the natural and cultural significance, thanks to its rich and unique biodiversity. Sikkim is a small state, but it's a multilingual northeastern state of India. Sikkim is a predominant of Lepcha and Bhutia, but Nepali is the main language of Sikkim's people. Nepali, English, and Hindi is the major language of Sikkim. The official language of Sikkim are Nepali, English, Lepcha, and Sikkimese, or Tibetan, or Bhutia. Kirakteshwar Mahadev Temple, located in the lake shape on the bank of the exquisite river Rangit. Kirakteshwar Mahadev Temple is a very famous temple that is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Buddha Park. The sprawling Buddha Park, also known as the Tathagata Sal at the Ravangla, which is colossal statue of Gautama Buddha, is pretty as a postcard. Built by the Sikkim government with the support of the locals in an endeavor to promote religion tourism in the state. It was sanctified by the Dalai Lama himself in 2013. Samdrupte. The word Samdrupte means wish-fulfilling hill, located at a distance of 25 kilometers from Gangtok. Samdrupte is situated near Namchi in the southern region of Sikkim. The epic hill is adorned with a kinetic and unique statue of Guru Padmasambhava. It is 135 feet high statue overlooking the whole city and is embellished with gold that shines when the sunlight falls on it. It is the highest statue of Guru Padmasambhava in the whole world. Hanuman Talk. Hanuman Talk, dedicated to Lord Hanuman, is the famous temple that is situated in Sikkim, maintained by a division of Army Department of India. This temple is located at a distance of 5 kilometers from the capital city of Sikkim. Solofok Chardham. This unique pilgrim center has a main temple of 108 feet height, on which it is based on 87 feet high statue of Lord Shiva on the sitting of the posture of Solofok hill. Apart from Shiva statue, this pilgrim center also has a replica of the 12 Jyotirlingas to offer one platform for Shiva devotees. Bhaichung Bhutia was born on 15 December 1976. He is a former of Indian professional footballer who has played as a striker. Bhutia is considered the torchbearer of Indian football in the international arena. He is often nicknamed by Sikisimi Sniper because of his shooting skills in the football. His international footballing honors include winning the Nehru Cup, LG Cup, SAF Championship 3 times and the AFC Challenge Cup. He is also India's second most capped player with 82 international caps to his name. He is also India's second youngest international goal scorer. Thank you so much for watching this video. This video was based on Sikkim's languages, traditions, temples and players.